Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. Today I'm bringing you along while I deep clean my kitchen. I live in a very small old apartment, so I don't exactly have a pantry, but this is what we are working with today and I hope you enjoy. I usually like to only work with one drawer at a time, otherwise I find myself feeling extremely overwhelmed if I see all of the food on the counter at one time.
Around you, we could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high, you're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you, 'cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the
After getting all the drawers emptied and cleaned, I'm going to check for expiration dates on everything and get rid of what doesn't work.
That you are mine. Love's gonna be beyond my trigger. You kiss me in a way that gets me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right just being around you. Come back to you, you move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high, you're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you, 'cause you're the one.
I must say it felt absolutely amazing getting rid of everything that I didn't need and that was expired. That way I could clear out my drawers, and it was just a very much needed thing. And also, if you see me talking and smiling in this clip, it's because my husband and I were having a conversation and he was making me laugh. So it was awesome to be talking while cleaning.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you.
Is it just me, or does everybody have at least 2 junk drawers in their house? I feel like everybody does, but I don't know, maybe that's just me. This is our junk drawer and it felt really good to get it somewhat organized.
Hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head.
This cabinet is our little pantry in our very small kitchen apartment. So this is where we have most of our food. We don't usually buy in bulk because we don't have the space for it, but I'm gonna go ahead and empty out every single thing in this cabinet and give it a wipe down, and then I'll put everything back in.
Time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again, just the two of us and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you.
This is our seasoning and spice drawer, so I'm going to go ahead and clean it with a disinfecting wipe, and also I'm going to disinfect all the containers, and that just makes me feel a lot better because I know that these containers are touched a lot.
Be with Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
Now I'm just going to wipe everything down with a Clorox wipe and try to disinfect the handles and drawers and cabinets as much as I can, that way they are nice and clean. Next, I'm going to clear my counter and wipe it down really good. I'm using the Method Sea Salt Lime Cleaner, and that stuff is amazing. It smells so good, and you will see that I will be using it throughout the video to clean multiple surfaces. If you've watched any of my previous cleaning videos, you know I don't have a dishwasher in this apartment, so I do have to wash my dishes by hand. It is a little frustrating, but I've lived here for 3 years and I've gotten used to it, but I am looking forward to very soon being able to have a dishwasher. Let me know in the comments below if you find cleaning your sink as satisfying as I do. It's probably one of my most favorite things to do when I clean my kitchen.
You're the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are.
After cleaning my sink, I always add a few drops of essential oils. We also don't have a garbage disposal, and the essential oils really makes it smell nice and fresh.
You are the solution. You are the solution. I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are.
Cleaning my fridge has been on my to-do list forever now, so it really was nice to be able to get it clean and organized. And same with my cabinets. I'm going to go through every single item in here and throw away anything that's expired. That way my fridge isn't overcluttered or things are occupying space that don't need to be in there.
Every time I'm going out, the same things keep happening. New boy, same tricks.
Once I'm done with the inside of the fridge, I'm going to take a Clorox wipe and disinfect the outside of the fridge, especially the handles. I don't know about your household, but in mine, we touch the handles of the fridge at least 20 times per day. By this point in the video, I had been cleaning for about 4 hours, so I was really exhausted, but I am just wiping down my table with some disinfecting spray that I found at Walmart. It's not my favorite, but it gets the job done, and that's all that matters.
And here we go again. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing.
And then I'm going to clean my super ancient stove. I have never seen a stove like this one before. It's very, very old, but let me just tell you, it works so good and it cooks all of our meals for us, so that's all that matters. It isn't my preference of stove, but this is an apartment and the appliances were here when we moved in. Let me know down below if you also disinfect your trash can very, very often. I feel like I do at least 3 times per week. My second favorite thing about cleaning the kitchen is definitely mopping. I absolutely love this mop. It's the O-Cedar brand. I got this at Walmart for I think under $30 and it is amazing. You don't have to touch your mop at all and it does a really good job. If you have a Keurig machine like this one, I would really suggest cleaning the bottom part that I'm cleaning in this clip. It does get very yucky and crusty, so I do like to clean it at least once or twice per week. Okay, you guys, and that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope this gave you some cleaning motivation to clean your own home. If you are new here, I would love to have you here on my channel. And if you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.